Today, global warming, the topic which has become the heart of students' assignments, scientists' research papers, and important talk in politics. I'm sure every one of us have done at least one assignment or presentation about global warming. As you know, global warming is the effect of gradual increase in the overall temperature of the Earth's atmosphere. It is directly or indirectly the reason behind this potentially devastating and deadly storm Amphan. Approximately 98% of our water is salty and only 2% is fresh. Of that 2%, almost 70% is snow and ice, 30% is groundwater, less than 0.5 is surface water, lakes, rivers, etc. and less than 0.05 is in the atmosphere. Global warming causes polar ice to melt into the sea, which turns fresh water into seawater. Now, in the midst of this pandemic world, where coronavirus has brought down the economy of many countries, it is a double hit for countries like India and Bangladesh. This Amphan cyclone in the Bay of Bengal is now moving towards the northeast coast of India and Bangladesh. It is said that the super cyclone Amphan, the second strongest storm in the northeast of Bay of Bengal, is due to the strict lockdown rules followed all over the world. This lockdown has brought many birds to our trees, united families, reduced the pollution level drastically. Did you know warmer climate causes more water to evaporate from both land and ocean? Warmer atmosphere can hold more water. Roughly 4% more water for every 1 degree Fahrenheit rise in temperature. This makes more wetter areas more wetter and dry areas even more drier. This is what's happening now at the Bay of Bengal and has been particularly warm these days. Some of the boys have registered 32 to 34 degree consecutively for the first 2 weeks of May. These are record temperatures due to drastic climate change thanks to the lockdown which has brought down the global heat. Fewer clouds and more heat in the Bay of Bengal have amplified the strength of the cyclone Amphan. It is the man who is destroying the ecosystem and other living beings. It may be an ant or an elephant. All have equal right to live in this wonderful world. Make sure you subscribe to my YouTube channel and turn on the bell so that you get notified when I post a new video just for you.